Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to talk about practical based learning guide to become a data engineer, complete roadmap 2024. There are three ways to become a data engineer. One is by earning a degree or master's. Second is by taking a boot camp training. And number three is by self-training. So I'm going to discuss about self-training here. Many people have approached me in the past to inquire how they can start this journey of becoming a data engineer. That's why I decided to make this video so that more people can benefit from what I'm going to demonstrate or talk about in this video. So to get started, you need 6 to 9 months to become an intermediate data engineer. It's achievable under 9 months. Starting a career in data engineering can be overwhelming with so many different tools and technologies available in the market. If I come over, let me show you. Like from this website, when I was going through it, I discovered this particular roadmap. I downloaded it. This is the roadmap. I downloaded it. As you can see from here, my question is, how on earth can somebody study all this without direction? The person will get confused along the line or will definitely run out. I don't advise anybody to follow this complex path. So I have decided to make this video to make it much easier. Number one thing you need to do is to set goals and deadlines. So set a deadline for each task you want to complete by a specific date. That's the way to achieve your purpose if you want to become a data engineer or if you want to become anything in life. To start the foundation, you need to learn SQL up to advanced level and target that you can do this maximum 30 days. Once you are done with that, learn one basic programming language. I recommend Python. This should take maximum 15 days. These are the basic Python language course, and you can get a lot of information online. Master all this. Now, learn Python that is applicable to data engineering, not general Python programming language. And this should take maximum 15 days. It will hurt you if you learn all, but I recommend purpose-driven learning here. You don't have all the time on earth to start learning all the Python programming language courses. Coding is never an ending journey. Narrow your coding to what is relevant to your learning roadmap. Don't be a jack of all trades and a master to none. You can go to a place like Udemy. This Python. It has a lot of courses available here. But go for something like data engineering Python. We have many courses here that will help you in that regard. The goals or the Python you are going to learn should be applicable to data engineering that will help you to carry out data ingestion, data cleaning, data manipulation, data retrieval. Now, if I come over to my Databricks now, as you can see, this is my Databricks workspace. I have two tables here. The first table is data frame 1, DF1. This is the table. This is the second table, DF2. All these are codes that's applicable to data engineering. So this is what I'm talking about here. These are the things you need to learn. So I have two tables here, DF1, DF2. I've joined them together to have this combined table, DF. This is the first table. This is the second table. That table can be filtered. Under rank column, you should filter the ones less than 6, as you can see here. So it filters the rows that are less than 6. You can also filter the columns. Here, I filtered city and state. It gave me only city and state. Using this, query. These are the things you can do when you learn Python that is applicable to data engineering. The same thing you can do with, this is Apache Spark, made up of Python, SQL, Scala, and Arrow programming language. So whichever one you are proficient with, all you need to do just to select it and use it to do your work. I always recommend Python and SQL. Python is very popular and also very easy to learn. So with Python and SQL, you can be a good data engineer. As you can see from here, I was able to join two tables. I was able to filter tables and so on and so forth. So these are the things you can do when you learn Python that is applicable to data engineering. All this can take just 15 days to learn. Now, try and solve real-time problems with exercises and projects. That's that. Then number 2 is you need to pick up any cloud platform. The major ones here are Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. I'm using Microsoft Azure as a case study here. Learn how these tools work. Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Lake, Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Databricks, Azure Streaming Analytics, and the newest one, Microsoft just added this newly, Microsoft Fabric. Master these tools. Let's say, for example, this is my Azure portal. Create all those resources I listed here. Microsoft offers a free trial. So open a free trial account that will run up to 30 days. Use it to create all these resources and start practicing them. If I click on Azure Data Factory, for example, I click on Launch Studio. I'm in Azure Data Factory. These are the tools under Azure Data Factory. Take your time, study them, know their features. If I click Auto, these are the resources or features under Azure Data Factory. So under Azure Data Factory, for example, you can create pipelines, create change data capture, create data sets, data flows, Power Queries, and so on and so forth. So you can do all these things under Data Factory. All you need to do is just to take your time, go through each of these tools. Like I have just shown you Azure Data Factory and its features. Take up a task, for example, a task like how do I move a table or a data from the on-prem server to the cloud. You can use copy activity, create a pipeline, and use copy activity to achieve that. So once you're able to practicalize all this, it will make more sense to you. Target 30 days, maximum 30 days. You should be able to study all these tools. Carry out 1 or 2 tasks under each tool. The number 3 is learn data pipelines, ETL, and data warehousing. It should take maximum 45 days to learn this. Learn ETL process, data warehouse, deployment, data monitoring, data streaming, data analytics, data security. All these tools I listed here can help you to achieve that. All you need to do just to work on this. There are so many informations out there online that can help you to be able to practicalize all this. I've created some videos on this. You can go to my channel to watch those videos. Now, the next stage is certification. I'm using Microsoft Azure platform as a case study here. The same thing is applicable to other cloud platforms. So it's just the same technology all of them are using. I recommend DP203, Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineering. Don't go and waste your money writing AZ900, all those Azure fundamentals, Azure Data Engineering fundamentals, and so on and so forth. If you write this and you're able to pass the exam, any employer of labor who sees this on your resume will really know that yes, you have adequate knowledge of data engineering. You can deliver. This certification is very good to be added in your resume. Now, the next one, which is number 5, is real-time projects. This should take 30 days maximum. While certifications are essential, practical experience is invaluable. Work on real projects, collaborate with teams, and gain hands-on experience in implementing Azure data solutions. I call this confidence building mechanism. So once you're able to carry out real-time projects, it will build your confidence. You'll be more exposed in the field of data engineering. Do some projects, and you can also add those projects, 1 or 2, to your resume. The total duration of this data engineering study is 6.5 months, according to my own estimation. As you can see, I put timeline on each task. So this roadmap should guide you to work with time. So you are ready to launch. Congratulations, your onboarding program is now complete and ready to launch in the ultimate labor market. The next stage is to prepare a good resume. There are so many materials online that you can use to prepare a good resume. That's it for this video. If this information is useful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Thank you for watching.